Hi, it's Yvette, and in this video I will be installing and setting up LiteSpeed Cache. It's a plugin that helps to speed up WordPress websites. So this is my dashboard. It may look a little bit different than yours. So over on the left, we're going to go to Plugins and Install Plugin, actually Add Plugin. And over here on the right, we're going to search for LiteSpeed Cache. LiteSpeed and space, and there it is here on the left, and we would click on install now. So as you can see, it's for acceleration and page speed improvement, and every site wants that. You want your site to load quickly so visitors don't leave. Click on activate, and there it is here under our installed plugins. And on the left, it's over here, along with all the different areas that we can go to. So click on LiteSpeed Cache and go to General. Up to the top and click on General Settings so that we're here. First thing we're going to click on here is Guest Mode. You can see it, the second one here. We're going to turn that on. Okay, it's on. And Guest Optimization, turn that on as well. And save changes over on the right or on the bottom. Okay, so save changes. And up here, you can see the green slash that options have been saved. See, guest mode and guest optimization. Next, click cache. And we are going to start with enable cache here. Make sure that's on, and it is. And cache logged in visitors, that should be off. So click that off. Cache commenters is on, and it already is. And this here, Cache REST API, is on, and it is also on. And then scroll to the bottom, Cache mobile, we turn that on. Okay, so everything that we needed to turn on is turned on here. And the reason why we're doing that, what we're doing is we're enabling cache to store pages for faster loading. So somebody coming back, the page will load faster. And logged in users is off, avoids any kind of issues on our end. And mobile on ensures that mobile users get fast pages. Again, it's all about speed. We want to keep our visitors coming back. Okay, now we're going to go over to the left to page optimization, and we are already on CSS settings. At least I am. So we're going to turn on a few of the settings here. The CSS minify, we're going to make sure that that's turned on, is on, and then we go to generate UCSS and make sure that that one is on. Then we scroll down to load CSS. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so we're going to make sure that that is on as well. And what these settings do is they reduce file size and also load CSS that's actually needed for that particular page. So it's not loading anything extra that will slow the page down. Again, this is all about speed. And we over to the right or at the bottom, you're going to save, click on save to save changes. Now we're going to go to the next tab, which is JS settings. Click JS settings. And on JS settings, the JS minify, we're turning on a couple things. We're turning that on. Then load JS deferred. We're selecting deferred. Okay, so let me make sure I got that on and deferred. And what this does is helps the page load faster by delaying certain scripts, again, that are not necessary. Okay, so again, save changes. So next tab, HTML settings. So again, with minify, it's currently off. We're turning it on. And what this does is it just slightly reduces page size and, improves performance. So we're just doing itty bitty little things that's going to speed up the site so visitors don't bounce on us. Okay, so I can't remember if I could hit, if I save changes or not. So let's save changes here. Saved. Next, we go to, I'm along this tab here. So the next tab, media settings. And we're going to turn on lazy load images. We're going to turn that on. And we're also going to turn on lazy load iframes. So you saw me, I scrolled down until I found lazy load iframes. And we turn that on. Press save. And what this means is that if someone's at the top of your page and there are images at the bottom of the page, the middle of the page where they haven't scrolled to yet, these images aren't going to load, because if they did load, again, it would slow down the experience for the visitor. So as they scroll down, that's when the images will come in. Hope that makes sense. Bottom line is it's making things faster on your site. Save changes. So over on the left, we're going to image optimization. Click on that. And then over here at the top, the settings for image optimization. Auto request cron, we're going to turn that on, which automatically requests optimization via cron jobs. So what that is going to do is it compresses your image so that they load faster, but they still look good, but they're going to load faster. Again, speed. Click save. So now over on the left, let me make sure that's on. Yes, we're going to click on database. Okay. Oh, sorry, on manage. So we're on database. It defaulted here. So click on manage. And this is what we're looking at here. We're going to click on clean all. And you may have to click more than once, but the bottom line is it should be 0 in here. And a check mark, meaning that everything is good. See, everything else is check marked. So it's good. Yes, we're done. The final step is go up to the top where this sort of a diamond is. This is LiteSpeed Cache up here. Just go up here, hover, and then click on Purge All, because we just made a lot of changes and we're just, I guess it's like resetting or cleaning things up. So make sure that you do that. So we've purged the cache successfully and we've got the green strip. So everything is good. So that's it. The site will now load a lot faster. If you need to go through the video again, you can slow it down or just go through it until you have all these basic settings in place. Okay, I hope this was helpful.